remains open by mechanical failure, by electrical failure, and by instrument failure. So these are the three causes of failure for this LCB widely full open. And if LCB remains open, then only low level will come. Otherwise, there is no reason for low level. Am I right,
And
Khalid?
besides, Chairman,
Okay,
also,
how alarm will come?
no, this alarm is for low level, not for that same loop, right?
Still loop.
Different transmitter. In fact, we have 2 out of 3 here. No, it's different, right? This,
Okay.
but
Okay.
this is an independent transmitter on that loop. Yeah, this is the SIP function. Yeah.
Shift function is shift function means okay. Go back. Sorry, go back to PIN ID manual.
Okay.
Who's sharing?
Okay. Yeah. No, you're sharing only, right?
Okay.
You have the PIN ID also there, right? Yeah.
No problem. So why? Yeah, tell me.
See.
Yeah.
LA.
Yeah. Which transmitter you are discussing now? Loop failure.
Yeah. This LIT 030903. This is the one that we are actually assessing, right? 30903, right, Chairman?
Yeah.
This is interface level, right? This is interface level. This is no. This is interface level 2 out of 3 voting, correct?
This is not voting. This is oil low level.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
the
Okay.
fixed related.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
And now
okay,
what we're talking about is failure of LCB. Go to
this
the next.
this 030903 is a low trip, correct?
Correct.
So any trip will be low priority, right?
Yeah, that's what. No, we're talking about only because you mentioned that cannot be.
Yeah, correct.
But
030903 is a part of ESD.
Correct. Yes.
Correct, no?
Okay.
So, and
priority. I think you already said it's P3, right, Chairman?
Yes. This is
The only
03.
thing here, Chairman, is the likely cause of alarm. You need to change it to LCB malfunction.
This malfunction.
This low is a trip, correct? No, manual.
Yeah.
This is low is a trip, correct? No. This low is a trip, right?
No, that is correct.
Blockage. Why blockage lead to low?
No, high. See, high. Low should be LCB malfunction only. And it will be LCB 05, I think, Chairman, not 01, yeah? Because this is the, go back to the PNID.
Okay.
LAS.
Okay, guys, let me again explain you guys. See, I'm not absolute hardcore process, but the low level in the water side can only happen if the